like and subscribe.
Hello everybody and welcome to Eevee Toys. Today I'm going to be showing you this mini BowTique cash register. This register is super cute and it has sounds too when you push all the buttons. Cute! Here we have a scanner, here we have a basket with some groceries, we have some money, a credit card, and some coins. So let's open this box up. Okay, so here's everything that comes in this playset. We get a croissant, yum, a red apple, pink shopping basket with a purple handle. We get 3 coins, 25 cents, 10 cents, and 5 cents. We get this credit card. It says Minnie's charge, and there's a picture of Minnie on it. We get some money, a dollar bill, $5 bill, a $10 bill, and a $20 bill. And of course, we get this cash register. It has a scanner right here. And when we push this button, it scans. This button makes Minnie talk. Cute! This button opens the cash register. Whoa! And now we can put our money inside. And the coins. We can also manually ring up our groceries. But of course, it's so much more fun with the scanner. So let's do some shopping, shall we? We can take our basket and put our apple and a croissant in it. And now let's scan. First, let's scan this croissant. That's it, only 2 groceries. But I think we need a lot more groceries. How about this big pink Minnie Mouse basket? This basket is filled with so many Minnie Mouse groceries. Now let's scan them. Milk, bread, tart, some more milk, can of soup, a cupcake, another cupcake, cheesecake, grape jam, some more jam. How about another croissant? Strawberry jam, sardine, apple, tomato sauce, soda pop, another cupcake, and a strawberry. Yum! That's it! Now we can pay. Today we're going to use this Minnie's charge credit card to pay for our groceries. So let's slide. And voila! We paid for our groceries. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We post new videos every day. Until next time, bye-bye.